Hi guys! 8:10 PM na, Iwaw Feng Shui na. Brother and family and friends, pong pinagpalang gabi sa inyong lahat. Ang inyo pong lingkod, Brother Norman Cruz. Ang inyo pong Feng Shui, Pachi, Chimen, Yijing, and Date Selection Consultant. Kumusta po kayo? How was your Sunday obligations? Kumusta pong linggo? Well, ang inyong lingkod po ay namiesta po earlier in Silang Cavite. Opo, salamat po sa aking mga in-laws for the fiesta po. Ano, dami po. Yan. Siyempre po, ingat. May mga bawal pa rin. But still, it's about the fun. It's about the experience. It's about the getting together po. That's what's important. So, ayun po. Again, to all the residents of Silang, happy fiesta po to each and every. Actually, 3 araw po fiesta nila. Hanggang bukas po, fiesta pa rin po sila. Wow, 3 days. Opo. So, kayo po, how was your Sunday? Kumusta naman po? And tomorrow, yes, back to basics, back to reality. Opo, Monday, panibagong laban na naman po tayo. No po? And of course, January, there were expectation, there were, may mga panalo, may mga hindi maganda, but we learned from it. No po? May objective, may learnings, results learning, and then next step. So next step is now, February, ano bang gagawin natin? At least simulan natin tomorrow with the daily chimen po. At least mga daily chimen, the information, and all of those things po that can help us make the most out of a February. Silipin po natin with the book. Siyempre po tayo po hindi nang huhula, tayo po mayroong mga basics. So tomorrow, February 3, Monday, is the Water Rabbit enters the Remove Officer Day. This Water Rabbit, BFF, in a Remove Officer Day is auspicious for assuming a new post, disengage or dissolve an agreement. Hi to very worshipful Ogo sir. Very worshipful Noble Ogo sir. Kailan tayo? Just let me know ha. Meron pa, hindi pa tayo nakikita. I-schedule po natin yan. Disengage or dissolve arrangement, meeting friends, networking, seeking medical treatment, signing contract or agreements, trading and traveling, all good for tomorrow. So you can do it. Pwede pong gawin. And then, to reinforce that, whole day po tayo, you can do the daily chimen. Okay. Tingnan po natin. Daily chimen tayo. BFF. Ito po. So, daily chimens, okay. Sabi po dito, it says here, if you want tennis being beautiful and handsome, getting your message across, talikod ka sa south from 11 PM later to 10:59 the next day. Anything to do with the game changer in opportunities and to find helpful people with the caliber, with quality, talikod ka naman sa northwest. Health is wealth. And branding is good, nakatalikod ka naman sa north. Anything to do with finance, talikod po sa northeast. Anything to do po with heart-to-heart talk, making amends, negotiations, person to person, talikod ka naman sa east. So, BFF nakaupo, nakatalikod to these directions, you count from 64 to 1, and you do 5 things. Let go, open up, give thanks, ask for what you want, and give it back to society. BFF, February 4 to 11. Don't forget, make a donation. Church, charity, any form. Online, any amount. Dapat pumili ka sa doon po sa date na yon and you have to donate. Donate. Kailangan po that is the most needed po, BFF. Okay. Tingnan po nga natin kasi kagabi may nabitin na hindi raw ako nakapagbigay ng, yan po, silipin natin, ng Green Dragon, Flying Bird, and Jade Maiden. So, eto na po. Bibigay ko po ngayon. Okay. BFF as early as 5 AM to 6:59 AM, talikod sa Northwest, Jade Maiden watching the door. 7 AM to 8:59 AM naman po, talikod ka naman sa West, meron naman pong Green Dragon Returns. And another Green Dragon Returns po, backing din sa West ng 9 AM to 10:59 AM. And then 11 AM to 12:59 PM lunchtime, wherein the blessing comes to you, talikod sa Southwest, Flying Bird Fall into Cave. Ayan, and then another Flying Bird Fall into Cave, 7 p.m. to 8:59 p.m. talikod naman sa South. O yan, BFF ha? Nakabawi na po sana sa inyo. Okay. Now, isa-isahin natin. Jade Maiden watching the door. For likability and control. Good for planning and strategies. Easily obtain help, turn enemies into friends. Positive for negotiations, career, and educational pursuit. Jade Maiden po yan. Flying bird fall into cave. Good fortune falls into your lap. Increase wealth and profits. Good for trade and investment. Nobleman offer help and relationship grow. Chaotic situations resolve and plans go smoothly. Defend against court cases. Supportive of new ventures and career development naman po sa Flying Bird. Ano po yung number 1? Green Dragon returns. Best formation for victory. Career progression and increased profits, negative situations resolved, and relationship flourish. Initiate lawsuits. Ito po, initiate and proactive formation. Outstanding outcomes for taking action. Yan, BFF 1, 2, 3. Green Dragon, Flying Bird, and Jade Maiden po. Hourly Chi-Men, sabi nila po, it's more potent. So, ang gawin po nyo, i-combine nyo po yung daily na backing and then lagyan nyo po ng hourly Chi-Men para po mas malakas po, mas effective yung pong ating formation and of you getting what you want. So nakaupo ka lang po, count from 64 to 1 uninterrupted and you do the 5 things po BFF. And don't forget, mark your calendar, February 4 to 11, you have to make a donation. Donate. Importante po yan. And this according to Grandmaster of Singapore, Grandmaster Tan Kong Yong. That's the golden time wherein kahit ang animal sign mo is medyo weak, ikaw ay goat, ikaw ay ox or pig, but once you donate, tataas ka. And even your number 1, rat, 2, monkey, and 3, dog, but you forgot to donate, bababa po ang iyo pong alignment or getting what you want this 2025. Again, BFF, I thank you so much for the opportunity to being able to share. Let's go for it, BFF. What happened in 2024, let us leave it as that. Whatever happens ng January, lessons learned na po tayo. Let's move on, let's move forward. And with this meditation, manifesting, and prayers, we make sure that the battles po for this coming February ay makuha natin ang mga gusto natin sa buhay and that eventually will make us happy. Hi Tom Jenaline, thanks for watching. So pagtulungan po natin. Again, BFF, let us continuously pray for each other. Let us pray for our leaders. Let us pray for world peace. Let us heal as one. Let us be a blessing to others. God bless us all with a grateful heart. Maraming pong salamat sa inyo lahat. God bless, good night, and happy Monday. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye!